The Turkish armed forces has emerged as a formidable powerhouse, standing tall as the most powerful army in the Middle East. The recent Global Firepower 2024 list has unveiled the top military powers in the Middle East and North Africa, with Turkey, Egypt, and Iran leading the pack. This year, Turkey has made an impressive leap, climbing 2 places in the global rankings. This rise is attributed to the increase in citizens available for military service and a notable expansion in military personnel. Now boasting a robust force of 755,000 soldiers, Turkey's military strength is an undeniable force to be reckoned with. Egypt, under President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, has also maintained significant military spending, securing its position in the rankings. Meanwhile, Iran continues to rank well above its regional rival, Saudi Arabia. With its impressive military personnel of 755,000, Turkey has undeniably cemented its position as the military titan in the region. So, what propels Turkey to the top of the ranks? It's a blend of conventional military capacity and technological advancements. The power index calculated by Global Firepower is based on over 60 factors. These considerations range from the number of active military personnel and citizens available for service, to the country's geographical location and its access to natural resources. But what sets Turkey apart is its strategic investment in technology. The Turkish military has made significant strides in the development of state-of-the-art drones like the Anka 3, Bayraktar TB3, and Kizil Elma. These are complemented by the inclusion of new drone carrier ships, frigates, and choppers to their arsenal, enhancing their capacity for both surveillance and combat. Adding to this, the Turkish military industry is constantly breaking records in the production and export of weapons, boasting a wide range of artillery precision tools, satellite links, electronic jammers, and anti-armor means. With its state-of-the-art military hardware and technology, Turkey's military prowess is unparalleled in the region. A military's strength is not just about soldiers and weapons, it's also about economic power. And Turkey's defense and aerospace industry is thriving. In the year 2023, this industry saw an impressive growth, with exports reaching a whopping $5.5 billion. That's a 27.1% increase from the previous year, demonstrating a momentum that shows no signs of slowing down. In fact, in the last month of 2023 alone, the industry set a new record with exports amounting to $719.1 million. But the ambition doesn't stop there. The sector has set its sights on bigger targets for 2024, with the expectation of even better performance. A major contributor to its success has been the A-Kinsi armed UAV contract, the largest single-item export contract in the history of the Turkish defense and aerospace industry. With its robust defense and aerospace industry, Turkey is not just a military power, but also an economic powerhouse in the region. As we gaze into the horizon, the future of Turkish armed forces looks brighter than ever. The potential growth of Turkey's military strength is promising, with recent developments pointing towards a robust and technologically advanced force. One such development is the A-Kinsi armed UAV contract that Turkey signed with Saudi Arabia. This agreement, worth more than $3 billion, has not only earned the title of the largest export contract signed by the Turkish defense and aerospace industry in a single item, but it also signifies Turkey's growing influence in the region, to bring an even better performance in terms of exports. As Turkey continues to innovate and excel in the defense and aerospace industry, it is anticipated that the country's military might will further solidify its top-ranking position. With its relentless pursuit of military advancement, Turkey's reign at the top seems set to continue. The Turkish armed forces, a symbol of strength, resilience, and innovation in the Middle East.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.